He has will over good and he has will over evil. Without will, without power, that is, he knows both good and evil. He does not create good without willing it. There must be will for him to create. That is why he exercises will there. He exercises power so that the evil comes into existence. Since he created it, that is why he has will over good and he has will over evil. He has will over good and he has consent over it. He has will over evil, but he does not have consent over it. Do we have evidence from a verse? Yes, we do. If you give thanks, he will be pleased with your gratitude, your worship, and your devotion, and he will grant you reward. But even if you all become disbelievers, Allah has no need for any of you. He does not consent to disbelief for his servants. That is, he does not want his servants to become disbelievers. What way does he not want it? He is not pleased with it. He does not love it. He is not content with it. But by whose will does one become a disbeliever? By Allah's will. If Allah did not create disbelief, denial, and polytheism, one could not become a disbeliever. Let us understand this correctly. Will is one thing, consent is another. What does he say? Nothing is lost from Allah's knowledge. Nothing escapes his knowledge. Control or governance, like no action, no thing. Not even a hair moves, not even a hair. The foot of an ant, even that we cannot see. Even the movement of an ant's foot, even that cannot move without his knowledge. No act is lost from Allah's knowledge. Because Allah says in the verse from Surah At-Talaq, indeed Allah encompasses everything in knowledge.